This is 4D in Notes 2. We're adding two rational expressions. And since these denominators look very different right now, the first thing we want to do is factor the denominators. So let's start by factoring x squared plus 5x plus 6. So we want the factor pairs of 6 that add to 5. So the factor pair we want is 2 and 3. So x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, so this first fraction is x over x plus 2, x plus 3. And then the second fraction, we want to factor x squared minus x minus 6. This time, we're trying to multiply to a negative 6, so that tells us one number is negative, one's positive. So those are all our factor pair possibilities. The one we want is 2 plus negative 3 would give us the negative 1x. So x plus 2, x minus 3. Okay. So now we find our least common denominator, or the least common multiple of the denominators. And that would just be any factor in parentheses that appears in any denominator. So we have an x plus 2. We have an x plus 3. And then we have another x plus 2, but that's already covered in the least common denominator. But then we have an x minus 3. Okay. So then we just want to go through and see what's missing in each denominator to multiply it up to get the least common denominator. So this one's missing the x minus 3. And this one, this denominator is missing the x plus 3. They both already have the x plus 2. So if we can get the missing one in, then they would have all three factors of the least common multiple. So to get the x minus 3 in this first fraction, we want to multiply by x minus 3, x minus 3, because that's what it was missing. And then to get the least common multiple in the second fraction, we want to multiply by x plus 3, x plus 3. And then we would have the same denominator in both. It's okay that they're in different orders. So now we can look at the two numerators. X times x minus 3 is this numerator, plus x times x plus 3 is this second numerator over that whole least common denominator. Excuse me. X plus 2, x plus 3, x minus 3. So now it's just a matter of simplifying the top here. X times x is x squared minus 3x. X times x is x squared again, plus 3x over the same denominator. X plus 2, x plus 3, x minus 3. And then we can just combine some terms in the numerators. We have x squared plus x squared, that's 2x squareds. And then negative 3x plus 3x cancels when we combine like terms, and we have the same denominator. And nothing cancels from this denominator. We can't factor the top to try to cancel anything. So this would be our final simplified answer.